और किसी को भी देना चाहो तो कौन सा गिफ्ट देना चाहोगे?
Actually, give my mother a pair of diamond earrings. So I think अभी सब लड़कियों के दिमाग में माएँ आती हैं to give jewelry to, and I love to give my mother presents. So yeah, that's who I gifted a pair of diamond earrings to most recently. और मुझे मेरा सबसे पहला diamond is actually very special because my great grandmother's necklace was made small for me because I have a very tiny neck. So it was cut for me and it was given to me by my grandfather when I turned 13. So that's a very special piece of jewelry for me, and it has uncut diamonds in it, and it's an heirloom piece. So that's my most special piece of jewelry.
Bite. Mic.
Is it on the piece or something? Because for testing we don't have really.
You know, actually it's quite simple, and which is why I associate myself with Forever Mark, because a Forever Mark diamond has a unique inscription which is specific to that piece and to that diamond. And I think less than 1% of the world's diamonds are marked Forever Mark diamonds. So when you have a Forever Mark diamond, it has that unique inscription which makes that diamond uniquely yours. So that diamond is truly rare, it's truly beautiful and precious, and it's truly yours. So I think it's quite a simple choice.
My question is to Mr. Sen.
Well, lots of things. Most important is that the Forever Marks promise to the entire journey of the Forever Mark diamond, right from the mind to the finger. So there are only about 13 mines in the world from which a Forever Mark diamond can come out of, where we are sure that when you wear a Forever Mark diamond on your finger, you can just be only proud of it because it has helped some communities, it's helped the environment. Only 30 companies in the world can cut and polish a diamond, Forever Mark diamond, and in a global way, only about 1,500 doors can sell a Forever Mark diamond. अगर आप इंडिया में देखें, हिंदुस्तान में there are 5 lakh jewelry retailers. We work with there on every diamond, and that's our promise of our integrity and our experience of 127 years on every diamond. And that's the most important. And then every diamond goes into our labs, which are the most advanced labs in the world. And that's really the whole process that goes through. Thank you.
Is that all, ladies and gentlemen?
Thank you.
Information we can ask personal question also.
No,
So,
not at all. I'm here for Forever Mark, so just let's stick to it. And Chintamani.
let us say what are the things you look into whenever you become a part of it.
I think quality, and quality. Those are the 3 things. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
I think quality, and more quality. Yeah.
Apart from diamonds, what are the 3 things you always carry with yourself? You always carry with yourself.
What are the 3 things that I always have on me? I guess my phone, my house keys, I don't know, and my cards. Yeah, my credit cards.
You said that diamonds are a world best.
Yeah.
Would you like to add something to that? Like, how would you define that?
How would
what kind of obsession you have for diamonds?
I think with diamonds, I mean, don't you love diamonds?
I do.
Yeah, everybody loves diamonds. So it's whoever said diamonds are a girl's best friend said the right thing, because they truly are. I think every girl has a pair of diamond earrings or would like to own a pair of diamond earrings. And whether you own them or not, you would, when you wear a pair of diamond earrings, you really feel pretty in them. So it's just that.
Okay.
Aditi, the response of the Guddu Rangila is very good, the buzz is really positive around the corner. So how's the feeling all together,
I find that question very. I mean, I'm really excited because obviously.
Please continue.
Yeah, because it's a film that we all sort of put our hearts and souls into. Subhash sir is a fantastic director. The cast is wonderful. We had great fun shooting. It's a super script. And when the reaction to that is good, then you really feel happy. But abhi, there's a lot more to be done. The film has to release, people have to like it, and we're all keeping our fingers crossed. We have a fun film, and I hope you all like it.
जिस तरह का ट्रेंड आजकल चल रहा है इंडस्ट्री में, चाहे मैं अभी बॉम्बे वाले की बात करूँ, जिस तरह जो कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट हुआ उसका छोटी फिल्म कंटेंट वाइज फिल्म है, चाहे वो पीकू हो चाहे और फिल्म हो, उन्हें बहुत सराहा जा रहा है। तनु वेट्स मनु रिटर्न हो, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तो कंटेंट इज ऑलवेज अ किंग।
आई थिंक जिस दिन ये ट्रेंड्स नाम निकल जाएगा ना सबके दिमाग से, एंड पीपल वुड स्टॉप sort of, I don't know, being following this kind of herd mentality kind of system, I think we'll start making better films. Not only films, in every sphere. I think things will improve because ultimately if you have good content, if you have a good story to tell, and if you've told it well, log aapki film dekhenge. And it doesn't matter if it has a big star, a small star. Yes, it may take time to pick up, but a good story will pick up.
अदिति, कोई ऐसा रोल है या आपका कोई ड्रीम रोल है या कोई ड्रीम कैरेक्टर जॉब करना चाहते हो, बी इट बायोपिक और समथिंग एल्स? जैसे अभी मैरी कॉम हमने देखी है, मर्दानी देखी, ऐसे कोई आपका कोई ड्रीम कैरेक्टर है, कोई ड्रीम?
when जब आपका कुछ एक ड्रीम कैरेक्टर या एक ड्रीम रोल होता है, आई फील लाइक यू आर लिमिटिंग योर सेल्फ बिकॉज यू ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट. There are so many things to be done. There are so many people who are writing amazing stuff. But yeah, there is one thing that I would love to do is I would love to do like a real hardcore romance. I really want to do that, and I would love to do one sort of period film. I think both I would love to do. But apart from that, I like to be versatile. I don't like to, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता कोई मेरे को डब्बे में डाल दे कि आप यही करो, आप innocent लगते हो तो आप यही रोल करो. I don't like that. I like to do various kinds of things. I like to be versatile. And I think इस साल मैंने काफ़ी अलग अलग किस्म के फिल्म्स की हैं. Even in the past, like from London, Paris, New York to Murder 3, I've tried to do like different stuff, and I try to do the best that I can.
गुड्डू रंगीला में आपका काफी अलग ही अवतार देखने को भी मिला है, जिस तरीके से अभी आप काफी बोल्ड अवतार भी.
ये बोल्ड शब्द मेरे को एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आता है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है. वो हर कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अलग होता है. हाँ, आई एम जस्ट किडिंग. या इट इज़ अ रियली फन कैरेक्टर. उसमें बहुत सारे it's not a straight up character. There were lots of shades to it. She's like one of the boys in the film. She's with Guddu Rangila all the time. Character का नाम Baby है. It was great fun playing that. Also वो आँखों से बहुत बात करती है, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती, आँखों से बात करती है.
काका, आपने कहा था कि आप एक डाई हार्ड रोमांटिक मूवी करना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर जिनके साथ रोमांस करने के लिए सोच रही है?
अब ये मैं अगर बोल दूँगी तो मतलब कोई ना कोई तो बुरा मान जाएगा तो मैं नहीं बोलती.